This is my daughter's kitchen. It's an easy kitchen to keep clean because she has plenty of space. There's plenty of room in here. But she doesn't like how dark it is. It's in the back of the house. It's a wooded lot, and she's got a lot of dark cabinetry. So she would like it to be a little bit more modern, a little brighter. What we're gonna do is see how far we can get with some paint. This is the laundry room. All right, I think I have about 18 cabinet doors and 6 drawers to do. I have to take all the hardware off, and then I'll work on the doors. I'll see if I can do it. And we'll get started painting. Like, you know, for the next eternity. That's what we're gonna do. Progress is being made. I have removed all of the cabinets from up there and down here. I removed all those knobs. I didn't do this side yet, which is about 8 out of 18 cabinets. I did do the bottom and I removed all those, but dinner is still there, so my daughter made jokes about me getting sawdust in her food.
Once again, thanks for nothing, Judy.
My name's not Judy, it's Nudie. Just kidding, that's dumb. Just kidding, it's smart. Just kidding, it's not really anything. Just for the record, my name is actually Julie. You've always said it wrong. I didn't say anything. Just kidding, I did, but nobody listened. Just kidding, they did. Just kidding, just kidding, just kidding.
So we didn't do that, but I can get started deglossing and priming at this rate, so it's good. It's good. The kitchen is all primed. Just one coat of primer. Might have to come back and then do another coat in the morning, see how I feel. But this is what we're at for now. The daughter helped. She got a lot of the, ignore the dogs. A lot of the upper areas. She also did that, but we're not gonna falter. We'll touch it up. Got a lot of that done. Helped out a lot. She's taller than me, and it just went so much faster with her helping. Ah. Okay, just doing an update since it's getting close to completion, and I baked some cookies. These are low-carb keto cookies. My own perfected recipe. I'm not going to tell you the secret ingredients. We are up to 2 coats of paint. I still have to do the upper area. I'm hoping my daughter can do that. She's way taller than me. But the lower areas, I've put 2 coats. I still have a little bit of touch up to do. You see, I can't reach up there. That's my daughter. So, yeah. But a lot of it is done. Very happy. It's, you know, you hit that 2nd coat time and it starts actually looking professional. So I'm happy about that as well. And gonna reward myself with some coffee and some cookies. Alright, I think that's everything. Dining room is still a mess. My daughter bought a table that I have to do something with. We still have this number of boards. 8. Hey, Leo! 8 boards to... they're taped and they're prepped. Oh, just checking. Checking to see if I had cookies for her. Those doors have to be finished and primed and painted. These are done, except for their top coat. So that's where we're at with that. Alright, you approve, Leo? What's going on out there? Is Jen home? I think she's excited about something. I'll go see what's going on there. And that's that. Okay. I could tell they were excited. And what are they excited about? Look at that. Who's that? Who's out there? Who's out there? Huh? There she comes. She's coming. You excited, huh? Yay. Who's that? Oh. They're so happy to see their mommy. I almost forgot to show you this. Always clean the hardware. Even if it seems like it's clean, it's probably gross. Well, I'm cleaning and I'm putting it over here to dry. Clean the hardware. I have finished my final coat. Thank God. I have not done a top coat. It is very durable feeling, I think. And I don't know, I might do a top coat on the doors, but we'll see. We'll see how I feel. I don't know if I'll do the top coat. My daughter did ask for a little bit of a glossier top coat. This is satin paint, and she's thinking she wants it maybe a little bit more glossy, but we'll see. I think I'm going to hang them, and then we'll see what she thinks about that at that time. I'm waiting for all of these to dry. Half the doors are ready to go back in place. So hopefully by the end of today, I'll have half of the kitchen reinstalled. I still have to do some touch-ups because where my daughter helped me, you see there? Yeah. She didn't know that wasn't a thing, you know? It's not a thing that we do. So we'll get it done. It's fine. All right, but this is the kitchen. Nice. progress. Over half of the doors and drawers are all put together. I only have like 8 more. Woo! And this is what it's looking like.